The Junior Motocross World Championship is a really nice step for young people and young riders to improve their skills and show them in the international scene. I was world champion myself in 2015 in 1 to 5. Who is going to be next?
I was Junior World Champion in 2019. For me, it was a really great experience and really enjoyed this race also the year before. And we will see the next generation future start this year.
I was a Junior World Champion in 2012, and we're gonna see who's gonna follow my footsteps this year.